media friends, for your dedication and support of the BMW brand through the years. Thank you very much. With today being the first day of Ramadan, I'm especially honored to host our Mustard Media friends tonight in a joint celebration to welcome the holy fasting months as well as the latest member of the BMW family.
Change the game.
Powertrain have an engine in here that can produce 653 horsepower. The top speed of this vehicle is 270 kilometers an hour. This behemoth, this huge car, can accelerate from 0 to 104.3 seconds. Very impressive for a car of this size. And BMW M Performance Hybrid. It is actually a PHEV, but when it comes to the gasoline engine, it is a 4.4 liter twin